And if you're going through that, know that you're not alone. There's a lot of us in this community that are going the same thing, like going through the same thing. So yes. Hey moms, welcome back to another postpartum talk. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Michou, and today we're going to be talking about hair loss, breastfeeding, and hormonal breakouts. Okay, so if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alright moms, so first off, I just wanted to thank all of you for all your amazing feedbacks in my DMs about last time's postpartum. It was my very first postpartum video ever. Yes, I have 2 kids, but I never did any postpartum type of videos after delivering my first child. But this time around, I feel like it's very important to share most information that, you know, the things that you go through as a mom of a newborn or as a person that just gave birth, pretty much. So yeah, that is why we are here today. Today I wanted to share with you, like I said, first off, hair loss. After delivering my first child, Rina Bella, I never had to go through this type of thing. I never had postpartum hair loss. Yes, it happens to some people and it doesn't happen to other people. So it did not happen to me before. So when, you know, a lot of people were talking about postpartum hair loss, I was just like, what are they talking about? Because I wasn't, you know, I wasn't breastfeeding her, or maybe, I don't know, but I never went through it. But this time around with my son Logan, I did go through it. Like it was kind of scary. So after giving birth to Logan, like a couple months later, actually right after that postpartum video that I made for you guys, so as soon as he reached 3 months, I started having this hair loss. I thought it was the shampoo that I was using that was, you know, drying my hair, and my hair just started falling off like a lot. I'm talking a lot in the shower. Then when I was fixing my hair, it was coming off too. You guys can see that on my one of my video I did for Rina Bella's 4th birthday. I was doing my hair and you can see all the hair falling off. I kind of showed it a little bit in the hair falling on the sink. So that was that. So yes, hence all these little antennas that you guys see on my hair right now. I kind of tried to tame it, but it's kind of hard. And you know, my hair is wet, so yeah, anyways. So yes, hence all those little baby hair or like antennas. It's almost like not baby hair anymore. It's pretty long right now, but it's still growing. Yes, all of those hair that you see right now is because of my hair loss. So yes, this front area of my hair was almost like balding, really, because of the hair loss. So yeah, it was strange, it was scary, it was, you know, I had to change shampoo like 3 times until I was like no, it's not the shampoo, it's just my hair. I'm losing hair. And then, you know, I just realized it's, you know, postpartum hair loss. And then I started taking my prenatal vitamins again, because I didn't want to take those hair nail vitamins, to be honest with you, because I'm a very hairy person. So if I take stuff like that, the whole hair on my body would start growing faster, and that's just the hair on my head. So I didn't want to deal with that. So I just took my prenatal, and it kind of started to, you know, help a little bit. And yeah, I don't have any hair loss anymore right now. Maybe because I changed my shampoo, or maybe because it just stopped. I don't know, you guys, but I don't have, my hair is not falling as much anymore, like at all. So yeah, so every time you guys see me in like a video and I'm like struggling with all this baby hair, it's because of, you know, the balding is finally growing, and you know, I'm happy about it. But yeah, it's still a little struggle because it's not fully a bang yet, but it's not that long at all, like, I mean, at all. So it's just like awkwardly there, and you know, if I don't have my hair down, it's kind of hard to, you know, tame it. Yeah, and if you're going through that, know that you're not alone. There's a lot of us in this community that are going the same thing, going through the same thing. So yes, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other question regarding that. And yeah, moving to the more controversial, more hurtful, more intense subject is breastfeeding. This is something that I've been struggling since Renabella. So I've been struggling about this with both my kids. You might think, oh, it's only Madagascar, or it's only in those type of countries where breastfeeding is like a must because people don't really want to feed their babies formula, whatever. But no, even in the US, even, I don't know, anywhere in the world, I believe people are just breastfeeding advocates. Like, you have to do it, and you have to be good at it, and you have to, yeah, all of that pressure was on my shoulder. To be honest with you, with Renabella, back then the NICU that was holding her, that was taking care of her, didn't receive free breast milks. So I was literally pressured to produce milk. Then the more I was pressured, the more I got stressed, and the less milk my body was producing. I literally, it was like 1 milliliter, or like even tiny little bit came out because I was so stressed. It literally, like when she was in the NICU, I had to like pump every 3 hours. I had to set up alarms, everything. The only thing that helped back then was this like lactation cookie, or lactation I don't even know what it was, but it's something that I bought from a brand, Miss Patel, on Instagram, and it did help a little bit, and then after that my milk just went down again. So yeah, nothing really helped me, and I was stressed out of my mind. So yeah, I feel like that is part of the thing that pushed me towards some type of, you know, postpartum depression in a way, because I did deal with a lot of things. Even when Renabella got home back then, I was dealing with, you know, a lot of anger, frustration. But yeah, we're not gonna be talking about that today, but let me know if you wanna, I don't know, want me to elaborate more or things like that on that subject. But anyways, and she was fed, and she's now 4, and she's almost like, you know, she wears size small, but she doesn't even fit 4Ts and 5Ts anymore. She wears size small. She's a big girl, and you know, like, yes, breast milk is essential, but also we have formulas, and the child is still gonna survive on formula, you know what I mean? Anyways, so I went through that with Renabella, and with Logan, because it's a preemie baby, I had to go through the same thing again. But this time around, they had free breast milk, so I wasn't as pressured as before to produce milk, but I was still pressured by the doctor, my doctor, like my postpartum doctors, the doctor that was taking care of me in my hospital, at my hospital while my baby was in the NICU. They were like, oh, you have to pump it for 3 hours. You know, they have a whole team of lactation consultants that will come to you. You have to schedule a time with them every single day, and they have to come to you, and they, you know what I mean? So much pressure, you guys. Like, I feel like this time around I knew better, so if I told them I was stressed, they would back down a little bit. And I really had to be honest this time around, like, you know, like, look, I've been through this. My child will survive even though they don't have breast milk. You know what I mean? But yes, I do see the benefit of having them receive breast milk, because Logan, he received the free breast milk for like, I don't know, the whole first week or so of him being born. So he did grow faster because of that. or maybe because he is just an eater, because even when they switched to formula, he was eating a lot. Like, he was one of the kid that they have in the NSU that, you know, they have no problem feeding, because he would just chug that milk like nothing, you know. So I don't know if maybe because of the breast milk, or maybe he just eats a lot. He just likes to eat, because Bella was not an eater. That, you know, he got big very fast, and he got out of the NSU faster too. So anyways, back to the breastfeeding. So yes, I did see a lot of lactation consultant with Bella and with Logan, both kids. I saw the same people almost with both kids. They have a method, like, there's certain people have, like, you know, okay, we just follow the baby's rhythm. If the baby doesn't want to breastfeed, then we're not forcing them. And others, they will just like wait for the opportunity and then just, I don't know, force the baby on your nipple and just make it work. So a lot of them have their own, you know, tactics or whatever. Some of them just worry about you having an engorged breast, and they just want to take care of that first. Some of them worry about the pumps that you use in this the right nozzle and things like that. So yeah, I saw everybody. They're all in the same team. Like, they have a book that they write down the things that, you know, they do for you and things like that, and the other one follow up. Like I said, I see them every single day. So yeah, so I did go through all of that, and also they gave me the nipple shield, because I guess my nipple was too big for my child, or I don't know. But they gave me a nipple shield so that my child would latch better. But yeah, Logan just didn't like breastfeeding. Bella was forced because she had no choice, but they still gave her formula, of course, since I couldn't produce. But Logan, he didn't want to breastfeed. So he just rather have the bottle. And, you know, with Bella, I stopped breastfeeding completely at 3 months, and with Logan, I stopped breastfeeding 2 months or 1 month. I don't remember, but I stopped very early on, and he never stopped gaining weight. He kept on gaining weight on formula, so that was not a problem. So anyways, what I'm getting at, I'm pretty much just venting to you guys right now. You're like, whoa, what's going on? But I just want to say, like, I know a lot of moms go through this, and a lot of moms get through it. Like, they can breastfeed their baby with no problem. When I talk about this subject, even on my own Facebook, not Facebook page, but my own personal Facebook, there's always some moms that like look down on you and, like, you know, like, make it so easy. Like, oh, breastfeeding is so easy, I breastfed all my kids. Like, yeah, that's you, that's not me, you know. It's like, it's just, it has never been easy for me. Like, that's you, you know. Even like, I have like preemie parents, friends that have preemie babies, and they can do it just fine. Like, you know, they were just like, oh, just keep pumping. Like, dude, I hate pumping. There, you get it. There you have it. I let it out. I hate pumping. Like, I did try. I tried, and I even got like the best pumping machine in the world. Like, I got the Symphony from Wick, because Logan was still in the ICU, and that helped. But then my breast started getting engorged because of all the lactation cookies that I've been eating as snacks. And then I couldn't pump, I couldn't breastfeed, and I just had to be massaged by a lactation consultant to release the milk and to just feel better. Literally, like, she just had to massage it, and I just had to learn to breathe through the pain, and that was that, you know. It lasted 3 days. My breast was so engorged, but barely any milk even came out even after that. So yes, it's not everybody can produce milk. You know what I mean? I just want to put that out there, that some of us struggle. You know, I have a friend, she just literally just as soon as anybody asked her if she was breastfeeding, she literally just said, I don't breastfeed. Then that was that. You know, because she said that, you know, it was hard for her and her mom to breastfeed, so she just literally just said no. I'm like, whoa, she's smart, because I should have learned that, you know. I should have been able to just say no, but you know, I just wanted to try for my child, I guess. But yeah, I got the pressure from everybody, like even family member was pressuring me. And it's not so that it's not even about the pressure. It's like I was you know, laying it to them that my breast is engorged, so it hurts me. And they're like, oh, it happens, like but the milk is good for the baby and this and that. Like, that is not helping me. You're not helping me right now, you know. Just thinking about all of that is upsetting, to be honest, you guys. Literally anybody that I said that it was hard for me to breastfeed, or like it's hard for me to produce milk, or my son doesn't like to breastfeed, they always try to like make me try something else, make me try this, make me try that. Like, dude, you don't get it. It's like, I've been there, I tried all of that and it didn't work. You know what I mean? Oh, eat papaya, eat nuts, eat this, eat that, go do this, go do that. Like, anyways, so I just wanted to, I guess, talk to you guys, the moms out there that are struggling with breastfeeding. Just know that you're not alone, that I'm here at least. My best friend, she was able to breastfeed her first son because the baby just latched well, and she was only on breast. He never was on formula for a very long time. He never had the bottle because he doesn't like the bottle. And her second son didn't like breastfeeding at all. And sometimes it all just depends on the baby too. You know, you cannot, yes, I know there is moms out there that are just, you know, they don't breastfeed, but they just pump. There's a name for it, like they're only pumping and they don't breastfeed. I can't do that, okay? Sorry, I can't. I don't want to be stuck on a machine for 15 minutes every 3 hours. I can't do it. It's so awesome now that there's like a, you know, a breast pump that doesn't have to be, you know, charge. It's like it's wireless. What is it, LV or something? I mean, it's $300, but it's awesome that they have that now, so that I don't have to be stuck on a machine. So those are awesome things I would like to try. If I will ever have another baby, maybe I can try that. I know that my breast pumps were free from, you know, my insurance, but I rather use something that will help me, I guess. I guess you guys are a lot of you are like very surprised right now to hear this. But yes, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And you know, you can always reach out to me if you have any question regarding that, or how to cope with people, how to cope with your baby, how to cope with things, because I just tell you, stress can do a lot of things. Stress, like, is bad for you when you're pregnant. I tell you what, stress is really bad for you after giving birth too. Like, going back to the mental health on our first postpartum video, like, just don't get stressed. Try not to get stressed, because it's not good for you, not for your milk, not for your baby. It's just not good for your health overall. I guess we're gonna move on to postpartum hormonal postpartum breakouts. You guys have seen how bad my breakouts is. Even until now, I had postpartum breakouts with Bella, but not as bad as this time. I guess because of the stress of not leaving the house, staying at home every single day because of this pandemic. The second is because of, well, wearing mask. When I have to go out, I wear mask, and the, you know, I'm not against wearing mask at all. I would wear mask to protect myself and others. Don't get me wrong, but wearing mask makes me break out pretty much. And third, like I said, hormonal breakouts. So even if I don't go out and wear mask, I stay home, I still have pimple coming out every now and then. So yeah, just let me know in the comment below if you're going through any of these things that I talked today. Yes, the third subject is very short because you can see it. Instead of me talking about it, you can see it on my face, like it never went away. I am very good at doing my skincare now, morning and night, and doing masks and things like that. I'm getting very good at it, especially because Logan is no longer in our bedroom, so that I can use my bathroom at any time. I can shower at any time. Sometimes I wash my face in the shower, sometimes I wash it on the sink. I always try to take care of my skin now. That's pretty much this today's video, you guys. I know it's kind of, I got a little emotional there. I just want to be real with you guys. I want to tell you the real life, the real struggle, everything, you know, because that's what you liked from last video, and that's what I want to give to you guys also. I don't want to sugarcoat anything, or, you know, I just want to tell you how it is. So I hope it helped. And yeah, today's question of the day is, have you gotten through any of the 3 that I mentioned today? If you want to just talk about anything else, just feel free to leave the comment below. And please, if you guys like this video, please give it a like. It's free to give it a like. Just, you know, just create the Facebook, just create the YouTube account, and you just like the video, and that's it. Or if you actually really like the video, then please share it with everyone else so they can enjoy it themselves. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.